Hi guys, let's look at the next question from CAT 2017, the second slot. If log 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 5 raised to c is the arithmetic mean of log 2 square into 3 cube into 5, log 2 raised to 6 into 3 into 5 raised to 7, and log 2 into 3 square into 5 raised to 4, then a equals. So there are multiple ways to answer this question, guys. The first method is this here is the arithmetic mean of the three terms 1, 2 and 3. Arithmetic mean meaning the average. So one way is we can write the average of these three terms. We can find the average of these three terms and equate it with log of 2 raised to a, 3 raised to b and 5 raised to c. So let's look at that. The average of these three terms shall be log of 2 square, 3 cube and 5 plus log of 2 raised to 6 into 3 into 5 raised to 7 plus the last term is log of 2, 3 square, 5 raised to 4 and the average means divided by 3. Now guys, log a plus log b plus log c is actually log of a into b into c, right? So log of 2 square into 3 cube into 5 into 2 raised to 6 into 3 into 5 raised to 7 into 2 into 3 square into 5 raised to 4, the whole thing divided by 3 is what we need. So powers of 2 are 2 square, 2 power 6 and 2, they are getting multiplied. So all these powers of 2 get added. So log of 2 raised to 2 plus 6 plus 1 will be 9 into 3. The powers of 3 are 3 cube, 3 raised to 1 and 3 square. That's 3 power 6 into powers of 5 are 5 raised to 1, 5 power 7 and 5 raised to 4. That's 5 power 12. This entire thing is divided by 3. So this entire expression is divided by 3. This means it is like log of 2 raised to 9 into 3 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 12, the whole raised to 1 by 3. And this is what brings 1 by 3 outside and we have 3 in the denominator, right? So finally, we are going to get log of 2 raised to 9 raised to 1 by 3 is 2 raised to 9 into 1 by 3. That's 2 cube. 3 raised to 6 raised to 1 by 3 is 6 into 1 by 3. That's 3 square. Into 5 raised to 12 raised to 1 by 3 is 5 raised to 12 into 1 by 3. That's 5 raised to 4. So this here is the arithmetic mean of these three terms given here. And now we compare this with log of 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 5 raised to c. Comparing, we get a as 3, b as 2 and c as 4. That easily answers our original question as a being equal to 3. So this was the first way of answering the question. Now we have another way, guys. Let's observe something very interesting. If I have three numbers, let's say 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 6 and 3 raised to 8. Notice that these three numbers are forming a GP where the common ratio is 3 square. 3 raised to 4 into 3 square is 3 power 6. 3 power 6 into 3 square is 3 power 8. So these numbers are in GP or geometric progression. We notice that when numbers are in GP, their powers, here the powers 4, 6 and 8 are in AP, arithmetic progression, isn't it, guys? Okay, and now applying the same concept, our question becomes really very easy. So we observe that logs of the three numbers are in AP. Logs simply mean the powers, right? And when the powers are in AP, just now we have seen that the numbers originally will be in GP. So the term 2 raised to a, 3 raised to b and 5 raised to c given here, it is the geometric mean of the other three terms 2 square, 3 cube, 5, 2 raised to 6, 3 and 5 raised to 7, 2, 3 square, 5 raised to 4. So let's multiply all of them. 2 square into 2 raised to 6 and 2 is 2 raised to 9 into 3 raised to 3 into 3 into 3 square, 3 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 7 and 5 raised to 4 is 5 raised to 12. Okay, the geometric mean will be the cube root of all these numbers. So 2 raised to 9, the whole raised to 1 by 3 is 2 raised to 9 raised to 1 by 3 is basically 2 raised to 9 into 1 by 3. That's 2 cube. Similarly, 3 raised to 6, the whole raised to 1 by 3 is 3 raised to 6 raised to 1 by 3, or 3 raised to 6 into 1/3. That's basically 3 raised to 6 by 3, and that's 3 square. Similarly, 5 raised to 12 the whole raised to 1 by 3 will be 5 raised to 12 by 3, or 5 raised to 4. This now we'll compare with 2 raised to A, 3 raised to B, and 5 raised to C. A is 3, B is 2, and C is 4. Super easy solution to our question. What they want is A is 3.